Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create social media post with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use AI on Canva. So first of all, you can visit Canva, canva.com or Canva app. And then you're going to go to the Canva AI right here. And then you're going to choose design. And I'm going to choose social media, and for the format I'm going to choose Instagram post. Okay, and for the prompt guys, I have already asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me. I'm going to paste it on Canva. Okay, for example, I'm going to create motivational post for my social media. And then I'm going to send the prompt to AI, and the AI will design our post, and then we'll be able to edit the post. And wait, it's still loading. Okay, and these are the results, and you can choose one of them, and you will be able to edit it. And for example, I'm going to choose this one, and then here you can choose use Canva editor. And this design will be added to the Canva project. Okay, you can edit the design here. For example, you can edit the text and add filter, or it's up to you. And once you're ready to post it, you can download the design. You can select download icon right here. You can just share, and then you can select download here. And you can choose the format, and you can choose PNG or JPG, it's up to you, and then click on download. Okay guys, and that's all the way to design a social media post with AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.